NFTE's Entrepreneurship Essentials is a flexible, modular approach to NFTE's year-long Entrepreneurship 1 course for semester and infused courses. By taking a flexible approach to entrepreneurship, students can learn about thinking and acting entrepreneurially within any other career field. Now it's time to get you started. Be sure to be on the lookout for an email with training dates from our instructor. After training is over, it's time to launch your NFTE program in your classroom. Begin planning and outlining your lessons for weeks to come. Now it's time for students to take our online assessment and begin their journey as young entrepreneurs. Students can begin building a business around anything they could imagine: fashion designers, personal chefs, app developers, tutoring services, or anything the mind could imagine. Remember, NFTE staff is here for you with weekly virtual office hours, quarterly professional learning communities, virtual guest speakers, and so much more during your journey. Now it's time to get students ready for your regional business plan competition and identify one business per class to move forward.